This is a do not miss out on veranda in Naples Heritage. 2-bedroom plus den. Open concept floor plan is perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Much sought after ground floor, no stairs to climb. Impact resistant windows. Back lanai can be used as screen lanai or enclosed sunroom. You love the interior and well as the gorgeous view from back lanai. 1-car garage has new epoxy floor and ceiling fan. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout main living areas, new tile floors and baths. Kitchen /updated white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, new sink, fixtures and hardware. Guest bath /new tile floor and shaker vanity with quartz countertop. Primary bath remodeled, new tile floors, shaker vanity /dual sinks and quartz countertop, custom mirrors, custom tile walk-in shower /frameless glass door. Spacious primary bedroom, adjustable bed stays, walk-in closet, extra shelving. Laundry has shaker cabinets for storage and Nor washer/dryer. Furniture is purchased recently. This condo has everything you could ask for and more. Enjoy the NH Lifestyle 18-hole golf course, putting green, driving range, renovated clubhouse /pro shop, resort-style pool, tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce, fitness center, poolside, cabana and bar. Just minutes from downtown Fifth Avenue and beaches. More than a home, it's a lifestyle.